Hey friends, artist resin here. So this as Diwali is approaching in November, so let's get ready for Diwali 2023. So you can start making the tea lights or Diwali decors from 1 month before, or yeah, just before that. It's completely up to you. So this has been lying with me for almost a year, and I had created a tea light with it a long back. So I'm just using some mica powders for this tea light. I hope they come out good. Mica powders I choose so because they give patterns and shine to the art. So I choose these colors. Let's see how it comes out. And for the center, I'll mix these 3 glitters, and I'll put it here. Oops, super clumsy. Okay. So I'll just mix the colors thoroughly, and we wait for 20 to 30 minutes till our or the resin warms up enough to be poured. As we cannot pour the resin right after mixing, we have to wait always till the resin reaches the right temperature. So I'll just forward this part, and then the pouring part will be at normal speed, as it will be a random pouring, not in any pattern.